If you are also a beginner and you are thinking in your mind that how should I do my English speaking practice at home? So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neetu and you are watching English Talk Corner. I will say that this video is for you because all of peoples are searching that how I do my English speaking practice. I am just saying that just do one simple exercise that I am recommending you and do it at least 30 days and you will see the result will come soon. So what is that? Just describe your daily routine and then you will see that how much you can speak. So in today's video, I will try to describe my daily routine. After that, you can just pause that video and try to speak your daily routine. And after that, in the comment section, you can tell me what is the mistake you made and how you are speaking. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's motivating me to make more videos for you. Now in this video I'll share my daily routine in front of you. So I always wake up early in the morning. I always get up early in the morning at 6 or 6:30. After that I thanks to the God, and after that I go to my balcony and I take fresh air. After that I go to my kitchen, then I take one glass of water, I drink it. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I go for the freshen up. When I come back to the freshen up, then I wash my hand, I brush my teeth, I face wash, then I wash my face. After that, I think about my breakfast, that what should I make in the breakfast. And the one thing is mandatory, that is tea. Me and my husband, we both like tea in the morning. After that, I asked to my husband that what do you want to eat in the morning breakfast. Whatever he said, otherwise I can make according to my taste. After that, when I finish my breakfast together, I start preparing for my husband lunch box, because whenever he go with his work, he go with his lunch box. So I just made for him 5 chapatis and with like some cooked vegetables I gave to him. So today in the morning I made spinach vegetables, and in the breakfast today I made poha for my family. After that I just gave to him tiffin box and then he go to his work. Then I start my all house chores work. Like first I clean my kitchen. Like I wash all the utensil, I clean all the slab. After that I just come to my room and then I make bed for myself. I make a bed. After that, one by one, I collect all the dirty clothes and I just put them all in the washing machine and I just turn on the washing machine. After that, I'll just put some water and some detergent I put there and I just mixed it and I started. And after that, I start like mopping, dusting, because every homemaker, this is the same routine, whatever I have. After that, what I am doing when I complete my washing, when I wash my cloth, start mopping. After that, I start like dusting, and after that, I start mopping. Then I go for the bath. When I'm going for the bath, together I take with my son, and first I bath my son, and after that I just go to his room, and then I make him ready, and after that I just give my phone to him that when I will come back for the bath, use my phone. Then I come back for the bath, I'll get ready for myself, then I worship to the God, and after that I do my lunch. And after that I go for the short nap. I can take it 20 or 30 minute short nap, and after that I do some practice of my English. Then again 4:30 or 5 in the middle of that I'll make a tea for myself. Then with the tea I'll take some snack like namkeen, biscuit, nothing like this I'll take it. And after that 7 or 7:30 I call to my husband that what you want to eat in the dinner. So whatever he suggests me, I will make it. Otherwise it's according to mine or whatever I have, something in the refrigerator that I cook for him. In the night time he comes 7 or 7:30. After that he go to his gym, and when he come back to his gym, then he engage with his phone, and 8 or 8:30 we eat our dinner, and together when we eat together, and after that I wash the utensil. All utensil I washed at that time in the evening. After that I just clean my kitchen again, then I boil the milk, and after that I give to one glass of milk of my husband, and the second one of my child I'll give to him, both of them. After that I'll just soak some almonds for my both kids and for the husband, I talk to him. And I'll just again in the night, I just took little bit water, and after that I just turn off my kitchen light and come back to the room and I go for the sleep. Sorry. So this is all I'm doing in a day to improve my English, and I know that some of the sentences I spoke wrong, but let's see. See, this is the example. That's how you can start your English spoken practice at home like this. So that's all I'm doing to improve my English. So if you are thinking now you are speaking wrong sentences, so don't think that much. Try to speak it. When you will speak, you will try to correct yourself again and again. Okay. So I hope you can also start your English spoken journey like this. So bye bye guys, let's meet in another video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's motivate me to make more videos for you. Bye bye.